Welcome to the updates video for January 2020. First, we'll go through the updates and then the fixes that have been applied in this update. In Setup, Special, HR User-Defined Data, multiple selection type data fields can be set to be included in the Edit Time and Attendance by checking this box. Doing that will make it show as a column in the Edit Time and Attendance. New policy in restrictions limit multiple selection EED entries to selected elements. In short, if you have an EED field set up in the employee profile and you have it set to be an extra field in Time and Attendance and Time Approval Center, this will limit what is selectable to what has been set here in the employee profile. In the Employee Time Banks report with the option Entitlement List enabled, we added an option to display the balance as dollars. Hourly type premium codes now support up to 4 decimal place hourly rates. Added the Emergency Contact To fields to the Employee Click and Pick report. The Notes Analysis report can now be selected to include notes that have been added to schedule records. A new option in the Payroll Export Audit list report, no piecework in total hours. This will exclude piece type earnings from the total hours, as piecework is not hourly work. In the Time Bank Audit report, if multiple banks are selected and grand totals is selected to view, it will now break out the grand total and the total for each individual time bank. In Daily Sales, under Operations, added the option for Schema, which allows for customizing the daily sales screen. We also added a to Z button to reset the sort of the different selectable data elements. Added copy-paste operations to the daily sales grid. That's all for the updates. Now we'll go through the various fixes. Fixed an error that could occur when trying to run the monthly attendance analysis. Copy-paste operations now work as expected if a custom color has been set for the weekly schedule. Fixed an error that could occur when attempting to print the schedule summary report. Fixed a totaling error that could occur in the daily summary report. Fixed an issue in the post time history from schedules that could occur when posting the schedule. The controls would disappear. Fixed an issue with the post time history from schedules where it would not overwrite time records added from the schedule via a right-click, Add from Schedule in the Time Approval Center. Fixed an issue with the attendance exception analysis where it would display the variance between a late in or late out as a negative amount. Correcting an error record which was retrieved via ATG now removes the error notes from the System Note field. Fixed an issue with the attendance exception analysis which would cause employee subtotals to appear at the top of each new page. Fixed a math error when totaling the balance when set to dollars in the Employee Time Bank report. Fixed an out-of-memory error message that would come up when trying to run large date ranges from the Employee Change Audit report. The Common Transaction Interface now follows the setting in customized software for never allow user to enter overlapping time records. Fixed invalid use of null error that could occur when running the position list report. Fixed an issue on overtime banked records where the banked flag would still display even though the hours were not banked. Manual time bank operations from the Time Approval Center now logs in the System Access log. The employee role history import will now include changes to the employee's positions.